Hey guys, so I'm over here at Argyle Lake State Park and I got thinking, I don't know if I've ever really told you guys what seasonings I bring with me on every camping trip and what my 5 favorite ones are. My 5 go-to seasonings. I know you're thinking, if you've been watching my channel, he thinks Duke's is a seasoning. Duke's kind of is a seasoning, but that's not what we're talking about today. I want to talk about my spices and herbs and which ones I go to. All right, let's look at them. So I got some all-purpose Maggie season up. That's good stuff there. That cowboy camp burger. Got some sage. Got some more sage. Some Fresh Chili Company red chilies. That's New Mexico chili peppers there. Smoked paprika. Dano's is really good. Chives, pumpkin spice. Yes, adobo. But here's the ones I go to. This one, let's put them in order. You know what? Let's put them in order. This one here is the most used seasoning that I have in my camper and in my house. We are all addicted to garlic salt by Lowry's. It has to be Lowry's garlic salt. I love this right here. It is absolutely wonderful. Tony's Creole seasoning. I put this on everything too. This way, making a steak, bam. Making a damn omelet, bam. This is going on it. I love this stuff. Absolutely wonderful seasoning. Anything rub, if I'm making chicken wings or brisket, this is what I use. I love the Traeger brand. Really great. 4-6 is a newer one I've been using, but it's Bunkhouse Campfire. This has got chili peppers and garlic and onions and all the stuff you think it would be in it, but it's got a mesquite smoke flavor to it. Really, really good on anything you're making into a barbecue. So I like to put this on chicken. It's really absolutely delicious on chicken, and I also put it on my hamburgers. But I got a new one, this cowboy camp burger. Yep. And this is Dash. I always thought this was Mrs. Dash, but apparently my whole life I thought it was Mrs. Dash, and it's not Mrs. Dash. Was there at least a commercial where there was a female Dash, I guess, you know, promoting it? I don't know. Something in my head, I've been calling it Mrs. Dash my whole life. Tony's, though, the Cajun two-step, fantastic. Don't get me wrong. The Smack Your Mama, also fantastic. Very, very delicious. I've just been using this too long, guys. And then when it comes to, like, you know, I use Duke's. And we don't have to talk about Duke's mayonnaise. But this is Texas Pete hot sauce. I'm from North Carolina. This is made in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Yeah, I mean, it's what I was brought up on. That's on fried chicken, fried fish, pretty much anything. I eat it on spaghetti. I don't care. I love it all. All right, guys. Well, that's my 5 favorite seasonings I go to, plus the hot sauce. That was a little bonus there, right? And then all the other seasonings you got to see. But those go with me on every trip. Watkins, sometimes I'll buy their taco packs, seasoning packs, because they're organic, all natural ingredients. So really good products there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Hope this video helped.